legend of the ʻpaɪ.əsɔː. In 1673, Marquette reported that he and fellow French explorer Louis Joliet discovered a painting on what was probably two water monsters on the bluffs of the Mississippi River near present-day Alton. By 1700, those photographic creatures were no longer visible. In 1836, the novelist John Russell described an image cut into the bluff of a legendary dragon-like creature with wings. According to Russell, the creature was called the ʻpaɪ.əsɔː, the bird that devours men. That version of the photograph, as well as myths about the ʻpaɪ.əsɔः, have become prominent in folklore. It's the Mississippi River out there. We got this fixed up pretty nice. These caves were done for mining. They're mining caves. There's the painting of the ʻpaɪ.əsɔः bird. I actually went in these caves years ago when I was a teenager. We should not have went in them, but we did. They're pretty dangerous though. They've got it all closed off now. They got it fenced off. I can hear water running in there. Keep out, no trespassing, sinkholes, falling rocks, and other hazards. By order of Chief of Police, violators will be prosecuted. So there's no trespassing in there anymore, which it is dangerous. ʻpaɪ.əsɔः Park, City of Alton. This is in Alton, Illinois. Here goes a barge. But that bird was painted on the bluffs here by Indians in like the 17th century. But that's of course not the original painting. It's been painted over. There for a while they had a like an iron plaque. So we got a worker here now. The Legend of the ʻpaɪ.əsɔː. I can't even hardly read that. It's very, very hard to read now. I guess that's etched on stone. There's some trash up there. Maybe some trash blew into there. I'm always careful about snakes. Snakes are bad in this area. There's a path that goes back there, but I'm not going to go down there. So much trees and stuff, you can't even see the bluffs over here.